Hey guys, welcome back to Bud's Paradise. Today let's see how to make aloo tikki chaat. Here I have boiled some aloo and kept aside for drying. Peel the aloos and keep under the fan for drying. It should be very dry, otherwise tikkis won't be crispy. So after it cools down completely, grate the aloos and keep aside. We will use it later. Soak the chole for 8 hours and boil in the cooker for at least half an hour. Add some salt and some amla. The chana has cooked well, keep it aside. Take out some chana, drain the water and keep it aside for drying. We'll be needing this to make the tikki. Boil dates, jaggery, tamarind and 1 teaspoon soap and red chilies for 15 minutes with water and grind it and sieve it and make a meeta chutney like this. And you can store this in the fridge for future use. This should be thick, don't make it very thin. Don't make this chutney watery, otherwise the tikkis will turn soggy. Now let's see how to make green chutney. In a mixture, add coriander leaves, pudina leaves, salt, green chilies, garlic and some aloo bhuja. Grind it to a paste and keep it aside. In a same mixture, keep some water. We'll make ragda now. For that, we need some onions, some garlic, salt, some pudina leaf, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon jeera and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Add 2 tablespoons cooked chole to thicken the gravy. Now take a pan, add the ground paste. This is the ragda mixture. Add 2 cups of water. Make it watery, otherwise later it will be very thick. That won't be nice. Boil it for at least 15 minutes. Now add the cooked chole. You can add 1 or 1.5 cup. Boil it for 2 minutes. Add red chili powder, no need to add more masalas. We have added everything. Now this is perfect. Keep it aside. Now let's make tikki. Take a broad bowl, add grated potato, chop some chole which we have kept for drying. Just crush a little bit, no need to grind it completely. Add to the boiled potatoes, salt, red chili powder. This is breadcrumbs. Mix well. If you find it sticky, you can add more breadcrumbs or you can also add oats if you like. Now this tikki is ready. Take some breadcrumbs, roll it both the sides. It will turn out very crispy and nice and tasty also. Now you can make this tikki and keep it in the freezer. Store it in airtight container and you can use it later whenever you want to eat. Now fry this in a hot oil. You can also deep fry this, but I like to shallow fry it. This will turn out very crispy and nice. It will take at least 5 minutes. Flip it and fry again. Now both sides fried well. Press it a bit. Make it little more flat. Now this is done. Take out in a plate and let's see how to serve this. See, this is very crispy. Flatten it up. Add the ragda. Sweet chutney. Add green chutney. Chopped onions. Some coriander leaves. Add some aloo bhuja, or you can also add shave. You can add chopped onions, it's your wish. Now your delicious evening snack aloo tikki chaat is ready to serve. Please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.